Bloomberg, the spike in overnight repurchase agreements may prompt the Federal Reserve to expand its balance sheet, according to Jeffrey Gundlach, Chief Investment Officer of DoubleLine Capital. Is it an imminent disaster? No. The Fed is going to use this warning sign to go back to some balance sheet expansion, Gundlach said Tuesday during a webcast for his $54 billion DoubleLine Total Return Bond Fund. It's a way of baby stepping to more quantitative easing, he added. The central bank was forced to inject billions of dollars in cash into the markets Tuesday to quell the surge in rates on one-day loans backed by Treasury bonds, known as repurchase agreements, or repos, to as high as 10%, according to ICAP data. The Fed is likely to start expanding its balance sheet to try to free up the plumbing of the banking system, the money manager said. The Federal Reserve Open Markets Committee is widely expected to cut its benchmark rate 0.25% when it meets Wednesday, the second reduction this year. The chances of a U.S. recession are 75% before the November 2020 presidential election, Gundlach said last week, citing signals including the August yield curve inversion that has uninverted this month. DoubleLine Total Return, which invests mostly in mortgage-backed securities, returned about 5.3% this year through September 16, better than 65% of its Bloomberg peers. Its 5-year annual average return is 3.4%, better than 82% of rivals. Gundlach also said, "It's not a great idea to be betting on lower interest rates." He added that investors have probably seen the low of the year in benchmark 10-year yields, which sank to a multi-year low of 1.42% earlier this month. Fed policymakers will probably say as little as possible at Wednesday's meeting. To contact the reporters on this story, John Gittleson in Los Angeles at johngitt@bloomberg.net, Catherine Greifield in New York at kgreifield@bloomberg.net, or contact the editors responsible for this story, Alan Mirabella at mirabella@bloomberg.net, Josh Friedman. Copyright 2019 Bloomberg LP. Let's block ads. Why?